So you might be trying to figure out how you can use Image Playground on your iPhone. Now, the first thing you're going to have to remember is that you have to be on iOS 18.2 or above, and you have to have Apple Intelligence or have an iPhone that supports Apple Intelligence. So number one, open up your settings application on your iPhone, go into your general settings here, click on software update, and just make sure you're on iOS 18.2. Now next up, you also want to make sure you have Apple Intelligence turned on. So click on Apple Intelligence, make sure it's turned on, and make sure you have the image playground option enabled, which you should probably already have it enabled at this point. So now that we have those things, we can go and make our way over into our playground application. So you can search for the playground app. When you go and scroll down, you can just search for playground just like how I did and search this is what the app looks like. Or you can go on your home screen and find the playground application like this. Now when you do that, you will come into this page. So now what you can do is you can kind of configure this whichever way you want to. So number one, what you can do is you can go through, if you want to describe an image or add or whatever, you can go and click at the bottom right here and you can start describing the image. So if I wanted to say like a bird, smiling, I kind of say that over and over again. If you go and, do that and type that in, you'll see that this particular thing, playground, will go and start creating an image, and it will be like a very I guess artistic, image like this about, what I just described. So you can see this one, see this one. So there's a lot of other options I can kind of choose from. So that is basically how it's done. So now if you want to download this image, I think you can save it just like this. You can hold it down and you can save the image like this. You can share the image, you can copy the image. You can describe whatever you want to. Now I think, there's some suggestions very down, like just basically down here. So if I go and, add an astronaut portion to it, you can see it's a bird smiling as an astronaut. So these are very cartoony type of images. They're very, very nice. And from here, once again, you can just hold it down like this, click save image, and you can save this image down. And that's basically how it's done for the most part. So it's a very, very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.